2, 3, 4, 3 or 4 together. Wow, very nice. See, oh, there. Oh, so nice.
Still got more. It's all red ones.
No, it's red, but then give you form donuts first. Then you come, give me a donut, then further followed by channel 8. See? Donut, first balloon, donut, channel 8, then 0.
Zero?
Wait, 4D, 0, 8, 0.
That's
Wow!
3.
Wow!
Daddy, that's 3, not 4.
Wow! There's a new pattern, new
4D is 4.
3姐
Digits.
pattern already.
4D. Maybe I film this size, but hopefully I don't drop my phone out downstairs. Someone's good at
Wow, this one is the last year see before. This one is the this one is the plata one.
Wait, will they have the countdown like last year?
So,
The countdown with the robot. The robot there, the one,
they count down with the robot lah.
the drone,
still remember
the new one, the drone one. They.
I don't know. Wow, what is this?
Whoa, this is a whole entire cupcake set.
Cupcakes. You sell cupcakes.
On the 6th day of Christmas, I got 12 cupcakes.
Oh, below got those small one.
Oh. Daddy, let me go.